In this video, I'll guide you through the step to set up NiceJob on your WordPress website to collect and display customer reviews seamlessly. So first, on your NiceJob website, you can click the Start Free Trial or Sign Up. And then after that, enter your name, email, address, and business details to create an account. Now, if you haven't accessed your NiceJob dashboard after signing up, you can now log into your NiceJob dashboard and then familiarize yourself with the dashboard to explore features. So to install a plugin to add a custom code, since NiceJob requires you to add code to your website, you'll need a plugin to help with this. So on your WordPress admin dashboard, click the plugins and then add new. So as you can see in here, I'm not on the plan here in WordPress. So assumingly we have. So, and then after that, search for insert headers and footers in the plugins marketplace. So it should be a WP beginner buy, and then so unfortunately I can't access this plugins because I'm not on a plan here in WordPress. So make sure you upgrade your plan in here in order to access this. And then after that, so assuming we have an access to this, install and activate the plugins. And after that, in your NiceJob dashboard, go back in there, navigate to settings or integrations. And then after that, locate the website integrations or widget setup section on your NiceJob and then copy the installation code provided. And after that, you can go back to your WordPress dashboard and then navigate to settings and then insert headers and footers, which is the plugins we installed. And then after that, paste the NiceJob installation code into the header section and then click save. And then you can test the integration via visiting your WordPress website to ensure the NiceJob widget appears and functions properly. And then you can check for responsiveness on both desktop and mobile devices. And that's it. That's how to set up a NiceJob on a WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.